So as you can see, I'm going to use the pants of my son to make a pattern. So keep watching. I'm doing the front pattern first. Now I'm doing the back of the pants. So I fold the pants and that's it. Sorry for my English, but anyway, this is the two pattern now. The front, this is the back, and that's the front. So make sure those point is the same, like the same length. Okay, now I'm going to add something for the zipper. Just keep watching. Thanks. So now I'm going to make a pattern pocket. So keep watching. So this is the pattern, but I think I want to add more style. So this is it. So let's start attaching it now and sew it. So attach those. So now I finished attaching it. Now I'm going to sew the pocket on the front the front of our pants. If you're wondering about the edges of after I sew this, like those white thing, because I use my serger for the nice finishing. So by the way, I use yellow thread to add some style on the pants. So we're almost done. Not yet, we're still too far, but anyway, so you can see I already sew the front. I didn't touch any zipper on it, just invisible. Anyway, so now I'm going to make a pocket for the back. So yeah. So now attach the side of the pants. Now I'm going to make a waistband. So let's measure the waist and the bottom. Yep, so let's do it. Now sew it. Leave some 1 or 2 inches unstitched. Then you can insert the elastic inside. After I insert the elastic, I'm sewing it like this. Stretch it, the elastic, then I make a stitch using the straight stitch. Yep. Gosh, it's so hard to speak English. But I'm trying my best, guys. Okay. So yeah, we're almost done. So I'm using that orange one, supposed to be yellow, but I don't have yellow. So yeah, it's just like a shoelace. So my son cannot wait, so he decided to wear it already and try it on, but it's so hard to take a picture. But anyway, yep. So that's my finished product. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again. I love you guys.